We were the company that built the first solar farm here in the state in partnership with the South Carolina Electric Cooperative and Santee Cooper. As more landowners realized that their farm might be suitable for solar farms, we've started to get more and more inquiries from folks who would like to keep the land in the family, but they're looking for a nice stable revenue from the land. It's a great program for folks who are landowners and are interested in this type of long-term lease for their property for a solar farm. South Carolina has intentions of adding more community solar in the state as well, so that's another opportunity for new solar farms to be developed and to be used by folks who may live remotely but still want to have solar power. Typically we're looking for 20 acres or more. Flat land obviously is ideal. No major streams or wetlands are definitely a factor, and we can do an analysis of the infrastructure in the area, and if we determine that it looks like it would be suitable for a solar farm, we'll move forward with trying to develop it and getting it into the queue for the interconnection with the local utility company.